Hello everyone, it's Helen. It's International Scrapbooking Day. The design team have taken over the Facebook page for Kitaholic Kits, and we thought, or us newbies thought, it might be a good idea to introduce ourselves a little bit to you so you have some idea of who we are when you just hear our voices with our layouts. I'm a single mum to two teenage boys who will be 18 soon, and I live in Western Australia in a southern suburb of Perth. I am a teacher and I work in a school very close to my home. I probably spend way too much time at work planning and teaching and marking and all the rest of it, but it's a big part of my life. I've been teaching for nearly 28 years now. I haven't been scrapbooking that long. I've been scrapbooking since 2001. I am predominantly a 12 by 12 scrapbooker. I dabble every now and then in pocket pages or smaller size pages. Not much into mini albums and things like that. And I have done a bit of mixed media as well. I used to teach mixed media classes at a local scrapbook store, but these days I spend what time I have creating videos for YouTube and pages for the design teams that I'm on. My favourite items to work with? Well, I like to start usually with white cardstock. And if you've watched my videos, you probably know that. I like to create my own backgrounds and use a packaging technique with distress inks or sprays or mists or paint. I generally include pattern paper behind photos and enamel dots and wood veneers and whatever's on hand, really. Puffy stickers. I like lots of different sized embellishments. I'm not really picky. Actually, I like to use lots of things. Items that scare me and can't bring myself to use. There are no things. I'm pretty game. I'll try anything. I'm always a believer that give everything a go. I don't really worry about if I don't know how to do it. I try. I don't have a need to be perfect. I like to just give things a go. And I figure if everyone else can do it, then I can do it. Or if I watch a video from somebody else and think, oh yeah, I can do that, I'll give it a go. Am I a messy or a clean scrapper? Oh, definitely while I'm scrapping, I'm messy. I'm not one to do a page, clean up, and then start a new page. I create a page, push the stuff to the edges of my desk, and keep going on to the next page. When I'm finished, generally I tidy up, although as I like to scrapbook into the wee hours of the morning, sometimes I leave it for the next day to tidy up because I'm falling asleep at my desk and the thought of staying and cleaning is just no. But then I'll clean it the next day or the next. What time of the day do I scrapbook? I scrapbook at night time. Usually starting pretty late and into the wee hours of the morning. And quite often I can still be scrapbooking at 1 o'clock in the morning. And quite often I've got a deadline to make and I'm making the video the night before and trying to get it all finished, and usually getting to bed about 1 or 2 and then trying to get to work, and yeah, it doesn't really always work. I scrapbook during the week if I have to, or I scrapbook on the weekends mostly because I work full time. What's my drinks and snacks of choice when I'm creating? Yeah, I drink coffee a lot, or if my sons are boiling the kettle, I ask them to make me a cup of tea. I don't really snack a lot. Of course, I've never shy away from chocolate, but I don't tend to snack a lot when I'm scrapping. I'll stop and do it, but I don't usually, unless I'm with friends and then I'm nibbling on lollies, chocolate, whatever's going, If you can see the size of me, you know I like to nibble. Well, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end of this little introduction into me, Helen. And until next time, when you see my hands creating a page, take care and have fun with all the rest of the challenges on our Facebook page. Bye.